It's a long tradition. It was already the second decade of every year's participation of the Prague House during the Design September. And it's mostly we are showing the works of the students of the Prague UMPRUM, the School of Academy of Arts, Architecture and Design. And there are several rooms with common theme like tableware or a culture of the dining. So this, for instance, it's a result of works of the students of product design in cooperation with one of the oldest traditional glass factories in Czech Republic, Vietnam, established in, I don't know, 1860 or something like that, I don't remember. And no, it's 700 and something. And so they're supposed to design a tableware using glass and porcelain and be inspired by the Expo 58, which was quite successful even for Czech Republic and especially Czech design. So there is a formal or philosophical inspiration of this event, and you can see some results. It's of course it's quite expensive to do it in real glass, so they are just the samples of each set, and the rest is printed in 3D, which is nowadays really useful technology. And then you can find in another room a sample of contemporary Czech tumblers, which is typical. We are the most the number one in consumption of the beer in the world, so it's a really big tradition. But there are no production of tumblers in Czech Republic since 1990. Surprisingly, everything is important from Germany. And so we decided to change this history and start to produce the smaller amount of tumblers in Czech Republic, which is a quite unique technology. And as a result, we again do it with our students of product design. There you can see the result of in 3D and two types of tumblers which are really now prepared for the mass production for Ambiente Group, which is a company leaders of the dining culture in Prague and in the whole Czech Republic. So it's really funny. It's a really great experience for the students to have such products in really mass production. It's always really inspiring to have some tradition and history and as a platform to start from. Of course, there are a lot of conditions which the tumbler has to fulfill, like to keep the foam, to keep the temperature, not to be too heavy. The dimensions of the handle must be not too big, not too small, and many other things which the student has to think about. And so of course it's quite a long process from the sketches and then the 3D prints to the real product. It has to be tested in the pub and to keep all the volumes and everything. It's quite complicated.